This giant factory produces millions of Coca-Cola bottles every single day. The process begins with purified water passing through advanced filtration systems. Special syrup ingredients are carefully mixed inside giant automated tanks. Carbon dioxide is added to create Coca-Cola's signature fizz. Meanwhile, plastic bottles are formed using high-pressure molding machines. The empty bottles travel through automated conveyor systems at incredible speed.
Before filling, every bottle is cleaned and sterilized for safety. High-speed filling machines pour Coca-Cola into thousands of bottles every minute.
Powerful automated systems instantly seal every bottle. The iconic Coca-Cola labels are applied with incredible precision.
Advanced AI systems inspect every bottle for quality and consistency.
Robotic packaging systems prepare the bottles for global shipment.
Millions of Coca-Cola bottles are stored before distribution worldwide. From the factory, Coca-Cola is delivered across the world every single day.
And that's how Coca-Cola is made, inside megafactories.